In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice on Chase Banking. This guide will walk you through each step so you can manage your invoices with ease directly from your Chase account. To get started, the first thing you're going to do is log into your chase.com account. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully logged in, look for and click on the Collect and Deposit tab. It's located on the side menu and will direct you to several financial tools and options. After you've accessed the Collect and Deposit section, you'll want to click on Create Invoice. This will bring up the options necessary for setting up invoice creation. When prompted, click on Activate. This step is crucial as it enables the invoice features of your Chase account, giving you the ability to handle all your billing needs. Following activation, click on Update Settings. Here, you have the opportunity to customize the invoice settings according to your business or personal preferences. After adjusting the settings, click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to select a contact. Choose one that will appear at the top of the invoice. This is especially handy if you frequently invoice the same client or customer. With your contact selected, click Review. This step allows you to double-check the accuracy of the information and settings before moving forward. Once confirmed, hit Save to ensure your selections are recorded. With your setup complete, click on Create Invoice to begin drafting your actual invoice document. During this stage, you'll need to fill in all necessary data. Enter pertinent details, like the name of the invoice recipient. This is key for ensuring that your client or customer has all relevant information. Don't forget to set an invoice number for tracking purposes. Once these fields are filled out, save these initial inputs by clicking on Save. Next, shift your attention to the Customer Info section. Fill in this box with the client's details such as contact information and any specifics unique to the transaction. After entering the details, scroll down on the page to continue. Here, you will click on Add an Item. This feature allows you to specify what you're invoicing for by typing in the item description, price, and quantity. If the item is taxable, make sure to toggle on the taxable option. Once your item details are accurate, you have the choice to click on Save and Close, or if needed, add another item to the invoice. After adding all necessary items, hit Save and Close. This action prepares your invoice for final steps. Now preview your invoice by clicking Preview Invoice. This review shows how your invoice will appear to the recipient. If everything looks good, you can choose to either save draft for later use or create invoice to finalize the process. After the invoice is created, you can distribute it by copying the link provided or downloading it as a PDF to your device. This ensures that you can easily share or archive the invoice. And that's it! You've successfully created and sent an invoice using Chase Banking.